Welcome to Jetronics India, manufacturer and exporter of electrical connectors and accessories. The company was established in 1985 in Mumbai. Our ultra-modern manufacturing plants and free samples help us to serve vast clientele across the globe. We are backed by stringent quality tests, wide variety of products and competitive price. Aerospace, engine manufacturing and motion control systems are some of our application areas. Our team comprises of administrator, engineers, technicians, and skilled laborers. We present a rich collection of circular threaded coupling connectors and connector accessories. Circular threaded coupling connectors offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. We offer reverse bayonet coupling connectors that are in huge demand across the global markets. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of connector accessories that are cost-effective. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.jconnectors.com.